Seen a lot of people battling with connection to EVM wallet on their OGC and also to social media platform like Twitter, which happens to be one of the key criteria for airdrop. Snapshot is 21st of this month, so you can't just take it for granted. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to actually connect to an EVM wallet, and more importantly, to solve problems for those having Twitter. And I will advise you to use your Google Chrome for this. As you can see, I'm actually using my Google Chrome, so don't use the Telegram link for what I'm about to explain in this video. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe, like, and more importantly, join my Telegram channel. So the first thing you need to do to connect your wallet for the snapshots is to come here. So when you come here, you're going to click, then you're going to see a place like this. You can see add your wallet. So when you click on add your wallet, we have series of options there, but the most important one which you must do for airdrop for you to qualify for the snapshots is this Ethereum EVM. So now for you to get this thing done, there are a lot of wallets you can actually use. A lot of people has actually been asking which one is EVM wallet. I'm just giving you two examples. Trust wallet is an EVM wallet. OKS wallet is also an EVM wallet. So let's come to EVM wallet. So when you click, you'll be asked to enter the code. So you prove as human first, then you get the code. The code will be sent to your email. So you go to your email to check. So these are code. We're going to copy. Then we go back, we paste, and we continue. Now, look at it here. It said, enter Ethereum plus EVM address. Then if you look at here, you see address here is giving you a resemblance of how an EVM wallet looks like, OXAIB2CE. So we're going to go to our OKS wallet to copy our Ethereum EVM wallet. And for you to, okay, let's go to our OKS wallet. So these are OKS wallets. So for those of you that are using the app, look at something here. If you see up here, you see exchange, then up here, you see wallet. So make sure you are selecting the wallet part, not the exchange part. This is the exchange part. Then you are using the wallet part. Please take note of that. I don't want to see this question coming up again in my comment section. Please take note of that. Then when you come here, just scroll down. So you are going to see Ethereum. So this is Ethereum. Just scroll down. So you are going to select it. Then you are going to click on receive. You copy your ETH wallet, Ethereum wallet. Then you go back. So you come here, you paste the wallet address. So when you are done, you click on save. So we've successfully connected our EVM wallet. So if you like, you can do turn connection, but that's not a must. And for those having problem with their Twitter connection, all you need to do is to come, just scroll back. Then you come to your link, social account. Now for you to connect so you come to the Twitter site, then you click on Twitter. Then from here, you are going to click on link. So you'll be redirected. So it will bring you to a page like this. So mine, because I am logged in on my Twitter on my Chrome, that's automatically connected it. You get that? So yours may bring confirmation page like this for you to just click and confirm. Just click on it and it will be redirected. Then the connection will be successful. So let me know in the comment section if you're still having issue with your wallet. So drop your thoughts in the comment section, and if you're yet to register for this, please check the link in the description of this video and get started. More importantly, if you're yet to join my Telegram or WhatsApp channel or group, you are missing a lot. Information is vital in the crypto space. A lot of opportunities are being missed because you are not readily available to adequate information. So therefore, check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. You will love it.